Unit 9, Recording 6.
So, we've looked at the things you shouldn't do. Now let's look at the things you should do. In terms of planning your presentation, try to remember this simple rule. Less is more. Fewer slides are better than a lot of slides. If you have 30 slides for a 30-minute talk, that's too many. Your audience will suffer from information overload and they won't be able to pay attention to you as you speak. In fact, this is the classic mistake that presenters make. They spend so long preparing a set of fancy, colourful, animated slides that they forget to think about what they're actually going to say and how they're going to say it. Generally, one slide for every 2 minutes of your talk is plenty. Remember also that fewer words on a slide is better than more words. And as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Secondly, it's a good idea to think carefully about the first few lines of your presentation. These are often the most difficult because your stress levels are highest when you begin speaking. So if you can get through these lines, the rest usually follows quite smoothly. And lastly, in terms of planning, try to practice your presentation at least once before you give it. Find a friend who's willing to sit and listen and then ask for their honest opinion. And what about delivering your presentation? What tips can help? Well, many presenters have keywords on cards that they can hold and look at while they talk. That way, if they forget what they want to say, which is a big fear for many people, the cards will remind them. The second tip that really helps a lot of presenters is to remember to make eye contact with people in the audience as early as possible. This really helps to build rapport and understanding. And thirdly, don't forget to include some interaction. Ask your audience for their opinion near the start of the talk. Sometimes it helps if you ask a question and then give your audience some time to discuss the answer with the person they're sitting next to. So, that's about all I have time for right now. If you want to learn more about my ideas, please visit my website or you can follow me on